Yes, we are for you. Yes.
Where is the deputy? Not really me now.
The judge has just made some very well pronounced decisions today. Give us a summary of the key points made with respect to the judge.
Well, basically, His Lordship granted substantial parts of the relief sought by the plaintiffs. That is the Rivers State House of Assembly and the Speaker, Right Honorable Martin Amaewhule. And indeed, in clear terms, condemned various acts of the 11th defendant, that is the governor, and equally the acts of the Honorable Edison, who had purported to be the speaker. The governor, His Lordship, in clear terms, declared that as at today, the National Assembly do not have any reason or justification to take over the constitutional functions of the Rivers State House of Assembly. So they cannot exercise such powers, and he restrained them. Okay? Secondly, the court equally stated clearly that all acts done by the governor, the 11 defendants, the Attorney General and Rivers State government, while this suit was pending, and after he had made an order on the 30th day of November 2023, were a nullity, including proceedings wherein the governor had purported to have presented to 4 members of the House, led by Edison, Honorable Edison, appropriation bill, that all those proceedings were nullity because they were done in clear violation of the order of court. And he therefore set all those things aside, the proceedings, the budget, etc. The court equally held that the House of Assembly is, and indeed the members and staff, are entitled to their emoluments and funds to run their affairs as provided under the Constitution. Therefore, the governor does not have the powers to, in whatsoever manner, stop the release of such funds to the House of Assembly. So, in all said and done, the court has restated the law as to the separation of powers of the various organs of government, and trying to say in clear terms that nobody should interfere with the function of the other or try to be dictatorial in their approach to doing things in government. So that is the position of the law. So for today, there is judgment for the plaintiff, the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Right Honorable Martin Amaewhule, who the court equally confirmed is the validly nominated and substantive Speaker of the said House of Assembly, and not Right Honorable Edison Ehie, as he has held or claimed to be. So that is the position today.
Thank you.
Thank you.